Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Citibank with Weebly, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Weebly website. Log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create a new one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard of your website. Click on the Settings option located in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, select Payments. Here, you will see various payment options available for your online store. Look for the Citibank payment processor. Click on the option to connect Citibank. You may be prompted to enter your Citibank account details. Follow the instructions to authenticate your Citibank account. Make sure to review any permissions that Weebly requires for the connection. Once you have entered your information, submit the form. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the connection was successful. If there are any errors, follow the prompts to troubleshoot the connection. After a successful setup, go back to the payments settings. You should now see Citibank listed as an active payment method. Customize any additional payment options as needed. Finally, save your changes to ensure everything is properly configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.